Wow! Excuse my wows and woos. Mr. Rafi with all his antics. And Rafi wants to do stunts here. What kind of stunts do you want to perform?
Yoga. Bike yoga.
Hey, यहाँ से तो बच्चा है ना स्टंट कितने करने जा रहा है? Hello and welcome back to my channel Rock and Roll Rider. We are back. The off-roaders are back this time. After around 2 months, we have a new rider and we have a new objective to complete. We're going towards the Kailasagiri Hills. This is the first time we'll be doing an off-road trail away from the typical Mysore road and 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗏 road, and we'll be going towards the Kolar road. Yeah, it's about 80 kilometers approx, and let's see how the new adventure is. Without the beard I look like a balding kid, but I take it as a compliment. So let's behave a little kiddish and let us use my 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 to get ready. Check out my 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 Accio riding gear. All set, let's ride. Meet our new rider, Mr. Rafi. How's the Josh?
Hi guys.
You have something to tell to the camera.
Hi friends, chai pillow.
Mr. Faraz is making us wait, I don't know for how long. Check out the new addition.
Harley Davidson.
Indian Harley Davidson. नाम क्या रखूँ तुम्हारे बाइक का? Predator. ನಿನ್ನ ಗಾಡಿ ಹೆಸರು ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ? The late Latif is here. 5:30 was the plan. It's 6:15. ಏನು ಟೈಮ್ ಇವಾಗ? 6:15 ಆಯ್ತಾ?
10 something. 6:10.
ನಾನು ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬಂದರೆ ರಸ್ತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇವನೇ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್. Okay, let's ride. Okay, so we are headed. Vishnu will be joining us from, Mr. Vishnu will be joining us from 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗏𝗏𝗏. It's still kind of cold outside, man. The end of winter.
It's time for briefing something.
Yeah.
Where is your mic?
No, inbuilt mic. Next stop, bakery to pick up stuff, because on top you won't get anything. We'll have to do off-roading for 5 kilometers and then do trek also if you want on top. So pick up whatever you want in the bakery. Come, let's go.
Tell properly, briefing, where we have to go, how many kilometers are there?
I think 70 kilometers, I guess.
Destination?
Kailasagiri Hills.
One by one ನಾವು ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Podcast ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡು.
So we're all set. It's about 52 kilometers from here. It's showing 1 more hour. So yeah, let's ride. To go towards Kailasagiri Hills, you'll have to take a left here after Hoskote towards Malur. It's a good experience with more than just 3 riders. We have done 4, but this is the first time we have a 5th rider with us. Kailasagiri Hills update. The off-road track is closed. And here on top they just let you go by foot. So a bit disappointed, but with umang in our hearts, we are heading to some fort called 𝗥𝗶𝗱𝗶𝗶𝗵. Oh, there's a huge ass pond here, dude. Look at the scenery.
Congratulations, brother.
Sun shining bright at us. Mr. Rafi with all his antics. A new ray of hope has arisen. Mr. Vishnu had called, he spoke to some local people. They were like, there's one small road there, you'll be able to go. Miracle. So yeah, trying a luck. Sure. Hey, Vishnu, ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರುವಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರುವಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ. ಇವರು
10:30 ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ.
ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಾ?
ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾರು ಏನು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ.
ಹೋಗ್ಲಾ?
कोई इनसे सीखे इनसे सीखे.
Okay, trying my luck and not trying my luck to not fall down. Oh, that was some fucking stunt. ತಳ್ಳು ತಳ್ಳು ತಳ್ಳು. अयो उन्होंने गेट ओपन कर रही ना.
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे.
इतना सर्कस करके उन्होंने गप खोल रहा ना. Okay, we are continuing on the right now. Fuck.
Language.
The official off-road starts. But as you can see, slowly the whole landscape is getting turned into small tiny villages. Who knows, next time we actually come here, there will be villages here as well. Scary stuff.
My message is that we'll be watching you.
Anyways, let me continue. Let these boys take their own sweet time. Look at the landscape. I'm sure there would have been a leopard and bear territory once upon a time. Just a few years ago. The whole road has a lot of loose gravel. So if you plan to come here, Come prepared. The bike starts crying in the second gear, and third gear is a bit too much for this climb. Thank God Mr. Vishnu asked, otherwise we would have missed this. क्या हुआ? फिसल कैसा? It is a difficult off-road. You can't deny that. Oh. I think we reached the hilltop. There's nothing beyond this. ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಮೆತ್ತಿಗೆ ಬಾ The hilltop. How's the experience? How's the experience falling down for us?
Yeah, it was good. First time after in Interceptor. It was good.
Look at the scenery.
Yes. It was grass slipped. It was not a fall.
And Ravi wants to do stunts here. What kind of stunts do you want to perform?
Yoga. Bike yoga.
ಸೈಕಲ್ ಹಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಹಾರೋಗುತ್ತೆ
ಗಾಡಿ
ಕೋಸಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಸಕ್ತೆ ಗಾಡಿ ಬಿದ್ದೋಗಲ್ವಾ
ಗಾಳಿ ಬೀಳುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಬೇಡ ಬೇರೆ ಐತೆ
ನೀನು ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ The forest people aren't letting people stay here for a long time, it seems, so he's asking us to leave. But anyways, we had fun with the off-road, so we'll go in search of another trail now. Oh, we're gonna do the descent from another route. Oh, this is some fucking risky shit, no dude. Okay, after chilling here for a couple of hours, we are heading back home. We'll be stopping for breakfast and head back home. So, Kailasagiri Hills completed.